Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Android Studio on Windows 10. So you're gonna have to go to the website developer.android.com/studio and you click download. I agree. Download. Then I wait for the downloads and finish. When it's done, you open it. It's installing. Click next. 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 Install. Wait until you finish. Next. And finish. It's gonna launch it. It's done. So this is how you download and install Android Studio for Windows 10. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Thank you for watching this video. Ciao.